Okay, we have a 2021 Winnebago Voyage 3033 bunkhouse. It says 28 feet. It is actually 33 feet. We went inside this thing and said there's no way this is 28 feet. 2,700 pound load.
It's awesome.
Jeez. Let's take a look at the storage. Good space. I like that that's separate. No splatter splashing. Slide out on this side. Big propane tanks. Spare tire there as opposed to the rear of the trailer. 2 entryways. You got the speakers outside. We'll go in the back. Let's look at this storage too. Okay. Rear kitchen. Awesome. I've seen a lot of travel trailers today with rear kitchens. More than the last time we were looking. I don't know if that's just a new thing or if we're looking at bigger travel trailers than last time. Here we go. Similar setup to what we've seen before with a rear bath, which it still has, but now it's shared with a bunkhouse. Once again, we don't need a bunkhouse, but this would be a cool model for a family. Storage underneath. The shower's small. That's the worst part of the whole thing. But skinny people can apply. They'll enjoy it. Love these huge cabinets Winnebagos have. Fireplace, nice sized TV. Little bit of storage. The big fridge, that's nice. It's awesome. And freezer, lots of freezer space. They are together. Spice rack maybe. Pretty kitchen. Lots of counter space, like it feels real homey. Big microwave. Convection microwave. Overall, I like it a lot. Maybe we should have kids to justify the bunkhouse. And then, of course, our favorite part, that it's got a king bed and a separate entry with, look at this, a real nice wardrobe. I mean, that goes all the way to the ceiling. That's like 7 feet tall. Floor to ceiling. This is great. Love it. Maybe I'll get the bunkhouse and renovate the shower. 33 feet though. Hard to get in the national parks. This also has a skylight. It's real bright in here. I love it. It's a good floor plan.